Welcome to the Error Slayer YouTube channel. This tutorial video will show you how to send a Premiere Pro project file to someone. If you're ready, as the first step, open the project you want to send to someone. Then, click the File tab in the upper left corner and open Project Manager. Next step, click the Browse button and choose where you want to copy the file of this Premiere Pro project. Finally, click the OK button. Then, click Yes. Now, when you navigate to your chosen destination path, you'll see that your Premiere Pro project, along with its contents, has been copied to a folder. Anyone you share this folder with can open your project. Also, remember that the Premiere Pro version of the person opening the project must match your project version. If this step-by-step guide on how to send a Premiere Pro project file to someone was helpful, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video. Have a good day.